Hi guys, so today we are going to discuss about uh, three heart problems. Okay, one is tachycardia, means abnormal heartbeat. Okay, whatever may be the condition, but abnormal heart rate is always called as tachycardia. Okay, then after a heart attack. Okay, what diet has to be followed after a sudden heart attack. Okay, and then a hole in the heart. Okay, so this is in health problems and natural remedies. Okay, so this is how we are going to follow. First one is list of concoctions, next list of juices, third is diet plan with millets, fourth one is very important, exercise, last one what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, and juices are also very important, very important. Yeah, fine. Next, first one is coriander leaves. You have to take at least 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 coriander leaves to make concoction because the leaf size is very small. Holy basil plant, take at least 10 leaves to make a concoction. Next, betel leaves, take one or two, not one or two, two or three to make concoction. Mint leaves, take 15 mint leaves to make a concoction. Heart shaped moonseed leaves, you can take 3 leaves to make concoction. Last one, Indian mallow, 4 to 5 leaves you have to take to make concoction. Okay, so at the end of the presentation we'll be looking at you will be looking at how to make a concoction using coriander leaves. Okay, this is the plan. First week coriander leaves, second week holy basil plant leaves, third week betel leaves, fourth week mint leaves, fifth week heart shaped moonseed leaves, sixth week Indian mallow leaves. The procedure for making concoction is same. Okay, if you do not find any one or two of the above, you can still continue with the remaining leaves. Let's say you didn't get the Indian mallow leaves, take only 5. Okay, if you didn't get holy basil plant, then take these 5. Okay, like that, 1 2 3 4 5. You have to second week, instead of holy basil you have to take betel leaves, like that. But after 6 weeks you have to repeat this sequence, or after 5 weeks depending upon how many leaves you get. Okay, and one more important thing is you have to wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour after drinking concoction to have your next meal. Okay, next is juices. Cucumber juice for 1 week, bottle gourd juice for 1 week, ash gourd juice for 1 week. Okay, and you have to repeat this sequence till you get recovered. Drink on empty stomach alternatively after each week and repeat this cycle. Okay, on empty stomach. Once you are done with your juice, you have to wait for 30 minutes to have your concoction or to have your next meal, whatever it may be. Okay, little millet for 2 days, kodo millet for 2 days, barnyard for 1 day, foxtail for 1 day, brown top for 1 day. Okay, so only little millet, kodo millets you have to consume 2 days. Okay, if you are cooking with little millet, you have to eat with little millet alone for all the 3 meals. With curries, obviously with curries, suitable curries you can eat, but don't take rice or wheat products. Okay, 2 days you have to completely eat with little millet only. That too, if you are taking for if you are consuming 3 meals, if you are having 3 meals, all the 3 times you have to take little millet. Okay, after that kodo millet, with kodo millet only, like that. Okay, this is the plan. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. No rice, bread, wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. Okay, how to cook millets? Cook it like rice or make millet porridge. For making rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet and soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on open top vessel or in a pressure cooker. But avoid pressure cooking if you have plenty of time. Making millet powder, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses or 10 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Okay, soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cool by opening the lid. Tie the top of the vessel using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then eat it. If it is summer, 6 to 7 hours is sufficient. Exercise is the most important one. Okay, even though there is a problem, you have to still walk. Okay, walking is the best exercise for human being. So walk for 1 hour in a day, that is minimum. Okay, if uh, at the start you may not be able to walk for 1 hour, okay, then what you have to do, walk for half an hour, slowly increase the time, okay, day by day. Okay, fine. Next is what foods to avoid. Milk and dairy products, all milk and all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oil, sugar, jaggery, wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, polished millets or refined millets. Okay, millets also you have to take whole grains. Okay, not polished. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready to eat foods. Now we will be looking at how to make concoction using coriander leaves. Coriander leaves concoction. Okay, first we have to take coriander leaves. These many are sufficient. Okay, and in the boiling water you have to add coriander leaves. Okay, they are actually cleaned using running water. It's better to use running water alone. Okay, it has to be boiled in a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, once it get boiled, you have to keep the top closed. Okay, and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the boiling is over, we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. See, this is filter. By using that filter, you have to filter it. That is waste, that is not at all useful. This is how you will get it. Okay, this color you will get. Okay, you have to sip it. Okay, you shouldn't be consuming whole thing at a time. You have to sip it drop by drop using a spoon. Okay, thank you. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.